Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Do you have a total lack of storage like we do? Any place I can find extra storage is so nice. These over-the-door shoe organizers have really helped my daughter's room. Before, we had all of her shoes, which she definitely has too many, but they were thrown in a little basket and I was always rooting through them trying to find matches. These hold all of her shoes, even her boots fit in there really nicely, her snow boots, everything. It's also really nice to organize her doll clothes and her doll shoes. The mesh pockets are huge and they're very handy because they allow her shoes to breathe and dry out, but I can see what's in every single pocket. The hooks that go over the door fit really well. I didn't have a problem at all with the door closing or them getting caught on the trim above it. As you notice here, my husband has size 15 feet and I could put one shoe in each one, stack them on top of each other, and they fit a very large shoe. So no matter what shoe size you wear, this will work for you. So if you're looking for some really nice additional storage for behind your doors, this one has worked really well for us. And that's my point of view.